मनीष दीक्षित नाम है मेरा और आप देख रहे हैं क्लास 8 NCERT एक्सरसाइज 2.4 क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। क्वेश्चन में एक बार आपको पढ़ देता हूँ। हाफ ऑफ हर्ड ऑफ डियर आर ग्रेजिंग इन द फील्ड एंड 3/4 ऑफ रिमेनिंग आर प्लेइंग नियर बाई, द रेस्ट 9 आर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर फ्रॉम द पॉन्ड, फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ डियर इन द हर्ड। तो देखिए नंबर ऑफ डियर नहीं गिवन है, और तो नंबर ऑफ डियर क्या मानते हैं, लेट नंबर ऑफ डियर बी एक्स, क्योंकि जो चीज़ नहीं मालूम मैथ्स में उसे हम क्या मान लेते हैं, एक्स। अब अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन क्या कहता है, हाफ ऑफ हर्ड आर ग्रेजिंग इन द फील्ड, नंबर ऑफ हर्ड ऑफ डियर grazing, that is half of x यानी x by 2। तो रिमेनिंग नंबर ऑफ डियर x minus x by 2 equals to x by 2, this is x by 2, and 3/4 of remaining, note 3/4 of remaining is x by 2, then 3/4 of remaining are playing nearby, number of deer playing nearby, number of deer playing nearby, how many are they, 3/4 of remaining, and remaining is x by 2. What does it mean, 3x upon 8, clear? Again we have to find the remaining, again we will find the remaining, clear? Again we will find the remaining again be minus x by 2 from this, x by 2 minus 3x by 2, and the LCM what will be the LCM is 8, 4x minus 3x equals to x by 8, clear? And the remaining is x by 8, clear? And what does the question says, the remaining is x by 8 and the rest 9 are drinking water. According to us the remaining is x by 8, remaining is x by 8. Let me repeat this question up to this point. Number of deer, let number of deer, if something is not given in the question, what will be assumed that in maths, x. Let number of deer be x, number of herd are deer grazing x by 2, remaining number of deer x minus x by 2 equals to x by 2, number of deer playing nearby 3/4 of remaining, 3/4 of remaining was x by 2, 3x upon 8, remaining x by 2 minus 3x by 2 equals to x by 8, the remaining is x by 8. According to us remaining is x by 8. What is happening over here, deer x deer are there, some deer are grazing, other deer are playing nearby, and the third point is that some deers are drinking water. Then we have to find from the remaining number of herd x, playing remaining number of deer grazing x by 2, half of the grazing, remaining is x by 2, again 3/4 of them are playing nearby, 3/4 of x by 2 equals to 3x upon by 8, and when you subtract 3x by 8 from x by 2, what we will get, x by 8, x by 2 minus 3x by 2, what we will get, x by 8. Then according to us the remaining number of deers is x by 8, clear? X by 8 is the remaining number of deer according to us, but according to the question some are drinking water and 9 are drinking water. According to us how many are drinking water, x by 8, and according to the question number of deers drinking water is 9. Are x by 8 equals to theirs 9, what does it mean, x equals to 72. Number of deers will be x equals to x comes to 72 will be the answer of this question, clear?